Remember, a rhombus is a quadrilateral with 4 equal sides. In this case, the perimeter is 100, and 100 divided by 4, the 4 equal sides, means that each one is 25. So, because the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find half of the shorter diagonal. X squared plus 24 squared equals 25 squared. X squared plus 576 is equal to 625. Subtracting 576 from each side, we get 49. Taking the square root of both sides, we see that x is 7. Now, there are a couple different ways we could find the area of this. We could find the area of one of these right triangles and multiply it by 4. That would work great. But there is a formula. The formula for the area of a rhombus is 1/2 d1 d2. 1/2 d1 times d2. d1 and d2 are the diagonals. So in this triangle, we know then that the area would be 1/2. The two diagonals that are pieces that are 7 make a diagonal of 14. 24 and 24 make a diagonal of 48. 1/2 times 14 is 7, and 7 times 48 is 336. So this rhombus has an area of 336, and the label is miles. That's one big rhombus, miles squared.